Welcome everyone. This is the USAF XM7062, also known as a Cadillac Commando. Well, I just got this. This is from Hobbyboss dash Trumpeter. The quality is supposed to be good. We'll see. We'll see about it. However, this comes really nice packed with huge details of the models that we can build and paint. The details on the box are great. And as usual from Hobbyboss Trumpeter as well, we've got a detailed schematics of the model itself, and it does come with what I believe to be the essential thing on a model: rubber tires. I still don't like this from sometimes from Revell or Tamiya, that they bring plastic tires to be painted. This comes with rubber. This is excellent. You've got the manual, and comes accompanied with some paint schematics. It's got a camouflage one, and what I'm inclined to do. However, it will not be American. It will be something else, which I'm gonna leave to later on for you guys to see. Details on the packaging are is great. I mean, it comes separated with two small sections. It is not mixed, as many of the companies do. And the quality of the build and the cutting seems to be awesome. Seems great. When we got the tires, we got the wheels. They do look awesome. We got the canisters. We got some radiator and some matches. We got the turret with a beautiful detail on it. We got the weaponry. We got the machine guns, greatly detailed. We got more and more pieces that come really nice packed. Got some extra wheels, and if we go out to the body, it looks great. And this is what you expect from Trumpeter. It looks great. The body of the vehicle does look awesome, and it brings what I believe to be the most essential part of any build: the rubber tires. They are sort of firm, not too squishy, but maybe too firm. But however, this is not to be driven. This is a model, a static model, but comes really nice package. Got the glass, and we got some decals that we'll not be using, and some metallic applications for like grills and some attachments. Excellent quality, excellent build that most likely will give us an awesome detailed model at the end. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and give a like. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.